Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. So from that point of view, nothing has really changed from the overall chart. Now, looking at things individually just today, yeah, disappointing day. But really, it's still, technically speaking, not that bad of a day, and I'll explain what I mean. First off, why was it kind of a rough day? Well, I mean, on Friday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price ultimately gapped down, opened right there. And it's now, it's just not where it was, like I said, Friday, it was up around there. Now all of a sudden it's down here. But you also have to keep in mind the context of things. And the context of things is, if you're not aware, the overall markets got absolutely destroyed today. So to think that the markets got destroyed today, and this one, yeah, pulled back, but it's not like the price came down here, went sideways, and then just collapsed down to the $6 mark, which is a key level of support, and kept on going. So yeah, a rough day and an annoying day considering, that the price was up here on Friday. But when you factor in just the general kind of theme that the markets really had the sledgehammer dropped on them, overall it's held up very, very nicely. So today, annoying and a red day, so not really a good day. But when you look at the overall perspective of things, the price is still within the big picture channel. And that's what I've been talking about over the past several videos I've done. So if this is your first video, nothing fancy behind the channel other than the top of the channel resistance right here at $6.40. You can see several times here the price has been rejected. And then the bottom part of the channel right down there at $6 of support. And you go through the history of things and you can see that there's been several instances where the price has done a good job of holding above there. So it really just depends on what your kind of game plan and perspective is. I mean, if you're some sort of day trader, then yeah, you're absolutely loving the up and down, up and down. So this is, like a nice little magical and mystical playground for yourself. Now, if you care about a bigger picture of things, then there's really not much else to say until something happens. What do I mean by quote unquote something happening? Well, either a breakout to the upside of the channel through 640 or a breakdown to the downside of the channel down through the $6 mark. So from that point of view, like I said, all I can really say is, well, nothing really happened other than the price gap down, but it's not like it destroyed the chart or anything like that because the price is still within the channel. So overall, sure, a disappointing day, one day, but looking at multiple days here, you can see that the price is still well within the overall channel. So the week is young, still 4 days left. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.